Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to use the new selfie camera features in your iPhone 17. At first, you need to open the camera, of course. Camera. Here, now, tap this button to revert it to the photo, front-facing camera. And now, here, we do have this button, center stage. And we can do center stage because the sensor in this camera is squared. And if you want to, for example, take a photo like this, the selfie like this, of, for example, your friends or anything like that, you can just do it vertically and tap it like this. It's just amazing for me. I'm really in love with this feature. Apart from that, I can just tell you that this camera is very nice and it's refreshed compared to the iPhone 16, so it's better in the iPhone 16s. Here they have this aperture, but it's not new. And here, if you tap this button, you can see that there's nothing more. But here in the video, we do have something with which is connected to the selfie, because if we tap this 6 squares, we can see dual capture. And if you tap dual capture, as you can see, we can record the front-facing camera and the back-facing camera. That's nice, you know. And actually, as for the front-facing camera, we don't have these camera styles here yet, but I didn't really think that this is that new because it was in the iOS 18. So yeah, but that's how you can use it. You just tap it and you can select different presets and manage them and take the photo. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.